Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my class. I'm Janisha, Department of Commerce. So, in the previous video, we have discussed about the chapter first, Introduction to Economics. In that, we studied about the basic terms of economics which we used in day-to-day life. According to the synopsis wise, we have finished, that is, four basic terms like consumer, producer, service provider, and also the service holder. Right? Today, we will continue the concepts according to the synopsis wise. Then, children, let me move on to the today's concept. Then, let us discuss about second concept, that is definition of economics. Dear children, already you came to know about in our bridge course episode, there are four main definitions of economics, right? In that you came to know about that wealth definition was given by Adam Smith, welfare definition was given by Alfred Marshall, scarcity definition was given by Lionel Robinson, and also P.A. Samuelson's, that is growth and development definition. So here we can say that Alfred Marshall. So Alfred Marshall is one of the famous economist, and he wrote one of the famous book, that is Principles of Economics, in 1890. So the book name of Alfred Marshall, that is Principles of Economics, was published in 1890. So here, why I am discussing about Alfred Marshall? Why not Adam Smith? As you know that Adam Smith was the father of economics, or the father of modern economics. Then why we are studying about the Alfred Marshall is here? Because Alfred Marshall, he gave one definition regarding the economics, that is a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. That is what economics. So Alfred Marshall has given the definition like economics means what? According to him, economics as a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. So mankind means what? Human beings. As you know that Adam Smith's definition, which stressed that regarding the wealth, if the people or the human being are wealthiest, means they are having enough wealth, then the economy will be developed. So this is what the concept of Adam Smith. But Alfred Marshall criticized that Adam Smith's concept, and he identifies that not only the wealth is essential for the economy, but also along with the wealth, welfare of the human beings. Okay, so welfare of the every individuals, that is what important. So according to Alfred Marshall, he said about economics as a study of mankind. It is a study of mankind or the human beings, that is in the ordinary business of life. Business of life means day-to-day life, how he should deal in the economy. So that is what economics according to Alfred Marshall. Okay, so in this part, please remember about Alfred Marshall's, his famous book was Principles of Economics, what published in 1890, and his time period 1842 to 1924. And according to Alfred Marshall, please remember this definition: economics as a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. So that hence economics we can generally define as economics is the study of how people and society chooses to employ scarce resources that could have alternative uses in order to produce various commodities that satisfy their wants and to distribute them for consumption among various persons and groups in society. So that what is economics means how to generally we have to define the economics. Okay, so economics is study of how people and society, dear children. So economics means what? It is the study of how people and society choose to employ the scarce resources, because in the society, so we are not having what that is enough resources, because human beings wants so which are unlimited, but the availability of resources which are very scarce. Okay, so human wants are unlimited, but the resources are very limited. That means, say for example, if a person demands first of all what one vehicle, that means one car. Okay, and next if it is one more brands or model or new type of what models if it is came into the market, means again 5 days he want one more car. Okay, that means what human beings or human wants are not stop, so it is unlimited, but the availability of resources in order to fulfill them, that is very limited. So as a result, what will create? So if the wants are unlimited and the resources are few, so as a result, it will create the scarcity in the resources or the economic problem in the society. Okay, so that here the people and the society, they know need to choose, they need to select scarce resources so that could have alternative uses in order to produce various commodities. So now the target of every individual as well as the society, that is to use the scarce resources and by using the alternative uses. Okay, so by given the scarce resources, by using that scarce resources, and they could have also uses the alternative resources. Why? Because to produce various commodities. Okay, so that satisfy their wants and to distribute them for the consumption among various persons and groups in society. So what they have to produce alternative way. So now that commodities that would be satisfy the wants of people and it is distributed among the various persons and also groups in society. So this is what economics in general. Okay, so simply we can say that economics is nothing but it is the study of human beings or the study of mankind, how that is which studies about how people uses the how people and society choose the scarce resources and how they could what uses alternative in that scarce resources, how they use it alternatively and how they produce the various commodities. Yeah, why? Because to satisfy their wants and how they distribute it among the public. So that concept is called as economics in generally. Okay, thus Alfred Marshall gave the definition like economics is a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. Okay. The next we'll see one more concept according to the synopsis wise, economic activities and ordinary business of life. So you heard about the ordinary business of life, that is Alfred Marshall's definition. So then what is this economic activities? Economic activities, those activities which are generating the income or money. So those money generating activities or income generating activities, so that is called as economic activities. Economics is a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life by Alfred Marshall. Individual and social life actions which are closely connected with the use of the material requirement. Say individual and social life actions. Say for example, say individual by myself, I and my society. So we all are interconnected with each other, closely connected with each other. Yes or no? Say, for example, you people and your society, because the people or the human beings are the social living things. Yes, so we are the social living things. So we need society also. So that individual and social life. So social life actions, so which are closely connected with the use of the material requirement. So that any activity undertaken for monetary purpose, so that is called as what ordinary business of life by economist. Okay, so according to economist, ordinary business of life in the sense, so any activities which are undertaken, that is for monetary purpose, financial purpose, income purpose, so that is, we can say that ordinary business of life by economist. So take for example, say after your PUC degree and PG means post graduation. So if you are securing a good job, then what purpose you will get the job? Because to earn money, monetary purpose, financial purpose. Yes, so that activity is called as economic activity, and the in what that concept is called as economist, that is ordinary business of a life. So that economic activities and also the ordinary business of life, so both are again here interlinked with each other. Okay, because every individual, they need to earn income, earn money, because to satisfy their material requirement or satisfy their needs. So this is what the concept of economic activities and also ordinary business of life. Okay students, so today we have discussed then definition of economics and also what, that is how to define generally the term economics, and also economic activities and the ordinary business of life, the relationship between economic activities and also the ordinary business of life. So rest of the things we will discuss in the next episode. Thank you.